Hello everyone, we are Marie and Ara from Aratax, and we are here today to talk about whether you could work as a freelancer without registering your business to home tax. So this is Ara, and she is a Korean certified tax accountant and helps foreigners working in Korea. And I am Marie, I am working in Seoul. I used to work as a freelancer, but not so long ago I registered my own business. It took me a very long time to decide whether to switch from being a freelancer to registering my business, as I thought it would be a very complicated process and involve a lot of paperwork. But it was actually much easier than I expected. So Ara, could I work as a freelancer without registering my business on home tax?
Yes, it is absolutely legal to work as a freelancer without a business registration. The Korean tax office categorizes and traces your business performances by business code or 업종 코드 in Korean. A registered business decides its business code when it applies for the registration to the tax office, whereas a freelancer's business code is reported by a client. Anyone who hires freelancers is supposed to do two kinds of reporting. First, a withholding tax or 원천세 in Korean filing, and the second, a statement of payment reporting or 지급명제서 in Korean. In this statement of payment, information such as your ID number, your top line of income, which is before 3.3% deduction, and your business code is decided by your client. More specifically, if you work as a model, your client would write in the statement of payment the business code number 940303. If you work as an English teacher, then your client would write 940903. For any other general freelancing work, the client would report under the business code 940909.
So what's the difference between working as a freelancer and having a registered business?
Right, because a freelancer is supposed to have a fixed place for work and no staff, there are certain limits on expenses types for deductibles. For example, outsourcing fee is not accepted as an expense to a freelancer. This is because a freelancer is supposed to work all by himself. Also, a lower allowance for entertainment fee or expenses is allowed to a freelancer. A registered business is allowed to report up to 36 million per year for entertainment expenses, whereas a freelancer is allowed only a third of it, which is 12 million per year. Downside of registering a business is that you will have more tax reporting obligations compared to a freelancer. Registered business do VAT filing once a year or twice a year depending on their size. But a freelancer has no need to do a VAT filing as they are exempt from the VAT implications.
When should I consider registering my business then?
I recommend registering your business when you expect your income to be stable and to grow more than at least of 75 million a year. This is the threshold level that the tax office requires a financial statement for income tax filing, which means you might have to hire a side tax accountant for bookkeeping. But if your top line is between 24 million to the 75 million, you often hire someone else for your project, or you need a separate place for your business, then I recommend registering your business before reaching the 75 million.
Well, we hope you guys found this video useful. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions about the things that Ara explained. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. We hope to see you again next time, because we'll be back with more videos about running a business, taxes, and accounting for foreigners working in Korea. See you again next time. Bye!
Bye!